Yeah, so snow finally came to Tokyo. Hmm? Mm-hmm. So much snow. Was nothing like before. I'm probably gonna slip and drop my phone in the snowstorm. It's fine. I think I don't drop it.
Only face is cold.
Oh, my hands is pretty cold too. Because these gloves aren't really the best for winter. Well, actually there are for winter, but never mind. I really didn't expect to see any snow here. You should make a snowman. This is like the perfect snow for making snowballs and snowmen. Did you make before? You should.
10 centimeter.
Wow. Yeah, it is. It's pretty nice. And this is nothing, something you've never seen in Sweden. Like, it's green plants with snow.
You don't have?
No. Nothing is green in winter. It's like a piece of stick with snow on. You never see green like this, like plants. Everything is green and it's like covered in snow. Something strange with this.
We don't surprise at all.
Yeah, because we have a very strange weather. Well, wow, look at this. It's blowing. Yeah. Here's people that lost the battle. Why should we go that way?
It's slippery too.
Is it? You sure? No, not at all. It's fine. But this is like a wind tunnel. Ah. Horrible. It's not slippery. It's fine. Yeah. Yeah, here's the station. The train. Should make a snowman later. Huh? Oh, someone did. Small. Nice. Yeah. It's just.
Umbrellas left with
Yeah.
two lines.
Yeah, it's windy. It's filled of dead flying umbrellas everywhere. I mean, look at it, look at it. This is like sign how much it's blowing right now. I see like look, the aftermath.